Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to revise question number 5 and 6 of the exercise of chapter number 1. Question number 5 is, the diagram shows the kinetic theory model of an evaporating liquid. Number 1, describe what is happening. Whether this is the model, we can see that here evaporation is going on. The molecules take energy from the surrounding and they get high kinetic energy. At the surface, the particles break free to form gas above it. Number 2, what is needed to make this happen? Heat energy is needed to make this happen. Number 3, suggest where this energy might come from. Whether this energy come from the sun. Number 4, give an example of where evaporation takes place in the home. In our homes, evaporation takes place mostly in the kitchen during the boiling water and outside the kitchen, drying of cloths. Question number 6. The diagram shows a refrigerator. Here this is a refrigerator, freezer compartment. Refrigerant liquid moves through these pipes. These are the cooling fins, mostly painted black. Now how cooling happens in the fridge? Cooling is produced in refrigerator by the evaporation of a liquefied gas. This produces cooling effect. Okay. In and around the refrigerator, heat is moving by conduction, convection and radiation. Which process is mainly responsible for? Number 1, cooling air dropping from the freezer compartment. Cool air drop from the freezer compartment because cool air is more dense as compared to warm air, so it moves down by the process of convection. Number 2, heat loss to the outside air from the cooling fins. Cooling fins are mostly painted black because black or dark surfaces are good emitter and absorber of thermal radiations. So heat loss to the outside air from the cooling fins take place by radiation. Number 3, heat from the kitchen entering the refrigerator through its outer panel. This happens by the process of conduction. Number 4, heat from the kitchen entering the refrigerator each time the door is opened. Each time when the door is opened, heat from the kitchen enters the refrigerator by the process of convection and radiation, both. Thank you.